It is our privilege to welcome Dr. Arun Sharma, a visionary leader in the field of Mahayoga and natural hygiene. With a family legacy rooted in natural health, Dr. Sharma has dedicated nearly 5 decades to empowering individuals and communities worldwide. He holds a doctorate in natural hygiene and has led numerous workshops, courses, and conferences on holistic wellness. Dr. Sharma's contribution to natural health are vast, with over 20,000 individuals and institutions benefiting from his awareness programs and health camps. He has authored books, appeared in media, and developed innovative approaches like Aruna Brahmana Chikitsa. His commitment to holistic health has earned him prestigious awards, including the International Gandhi Award. Please join us in welcoming Dr. Arun Sharma, a champion of natural wellness and an inspiration to us all. Let us express our heartfelt gratitude for his tireless efforts to promote holistic health and empower individuals to reclaim their well being. Over to you, Dr. Arun Sharma. Over to you, Guruji. Welcome.
यच्छन्दसां ऋषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोभ्योऽदमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुबत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Mother Nature, who is a mother for all of us, has also blessed us with sufficient resources for our healthy lifestyle. But the problem with us is that we don't understand the values of those natural resources. So whatever be the problem, all diseases can be grouped into one. Diseases of the stomach, problems of the head, problem of the urinary tract, so many different problems we face, but the cause is one, unhealthy lifestyle. And if we examine our unhealthy lifestyle, we end up eating too much or too many times without giving consideration for giving adequate time for digestion of the food that we ate. And if we don't do it, we are mixing too many foods in the stomach, and the stomach is confused as to what to do. It has prepared its digestive juices according to the strength of the food.
प्लीज अपने आप को म्यूटेड रखिए. प्लीज अपने आप को म्यूटेड रखिए, ऑल ऑफ यू. सिर्फ गुरुजी का अनम्यूट रहेगा और मेरा.
When we see diseases, we have to understand that this ease or lack of ease comes because the body has got some accumulated filth in it. The filth may be in different quantity, different degrees, but the filth has got to get out. life's activity in a clean body is called health. Life's activity in an unclean body is called disease. If you analyze each problem, if you ask me questions about what about this disease, what about that disease, all boils down to one cause. What is that one cause? There is some accumulated filth in the body which has not been eliminated properly. And that is causing so many different problems. And at the same time, that also gives disturbance to our mind. Mind is disturbed because the body gets disturbed, and body gets disturbed because the mind gets disturbed. It's a vicious cycle. So, in order to solve problems in our life, let us understand healthy ways of living and adopt healthy ways of living. And once you do it just for 1 week, you will see all the problems have gone. You need adequate, ample exercise and adequate rest. Then comes positive food. What is positive food? Foods which are natural, foods which are grown in your own garden or without any chemicals. If it is grown naturally, that's a better food than foods which have been grown by artificial fertilizers, pesticides, and all those things. So if you are able to get healthy food, your food will be digested properly. There are ways of eating. Eat only when you are hungry and give it a time enough for its digestion. All the rules are there. And then positive food, positive thoughts. We must always think in the terms of positive thoughts. But what is positive thoughts? For everything, we should not blame the germs. Oh, the germs are there, those germs are there. We should put germ killers in our body. All those thoughts disturb our life. We should not put things in our body which does not belong there. Only food should enter your body. So there are so many such rules. It will boil down to one thing, that we must have an occupation. Each one of us must have an occupation that combines our skill and passion to help others. If we don't have that, we end up adopting a wrong lifestyle and becoming sick because of that. Let's all analyze our lifestyle and let us ask questions. If you want to ask questions, I will answer all those questions. Do you want to start the question hour, Seemaji?
Yes, Guruji. We had some few people asking us some questions. I'm just reading the questions out to you. A few of the questions that I have, and then we will open it up for the audience to ask. What are the natural remedies that can help us alleviate common cold issues like ear infection, cold, cough, digestive problems in children?
So children, depending upon the age, the accumulation is because of certain foods that we give that has got more mucus in it. Supposing you are mixing sugar into milk and feeding the baby, that produces too much mucus, and the baby doesn't have any, and so the mucus gives so much problems. Instead, if we can continue to give the baby soups of vegetables, juices of vegetables, fruits, things like that, everything, all the mucus will be melt away and get out of the system. And within a day or two, the baby will become healthier again. Is it only about the babies or even the adults?
Yeah,
Is the question
query,
pertaining to only to babies?
yeah, the query was regarding children, but then you can answer for the adults also, Guruji.
Yes. If adults have the same problem of common cold, coughing, and all kinds of things, you should start taking 1 meal of raw vegetables, and you must take 1 meal of one kind of fruits, and a third meal could be cooked, conservatively cooked meal without adding any turmeric, and don't cook with the salt. Add salt after cooking. If you do these things, you have plenty of vegetables in it, and you will digest very well, and you will not have any problem. And when you have already got the problem like cold, common cold and stuffed nose, you should adopt plenty of exercise. Go for running, jogging, and after doing 15-20 minutes of continuous running, come back and relax on the ground and relax all your nerves and muscles, and then you will feel very fine. And that's the way you should keep your healthy life. But when you eat foods with one meal of raw vegetables. Raw vegetables are very essential for the body to remove the excess mucus accumulated in the body. If you have that habit, don't add salt or any spices, oil, or any dressing onto the salad. You can make the salad very tasty by adding coconut gratings and add plenty of tomatoes and coriander leaves to any salad. Salad can comprise of two main vegetables. Like one day it can be carrot and cabbage, another day it could be cauliflower and bell pepper, third day it could be zucchini and beetroot and things like that. Different combination of vegetables will make the salad have varieties and different taste you will get. You should not add any salt or pepper or lime, but you should eat just the vegetables with the dressing of coconuts, coriander leaves, and tomatoes. So there are so many recipes of salads you can learn from us. We are going to keep conducting natural health camps in different cities. Now we are going to conduct one camp in Kolkata from the 16th of this month to 22nd. So in that camp, we are going to treat children with deficiency, ADHD, autism, things like that, and adults with so many different problems. We can treat them. And in this camp, we don't just give treatment. We also offer classes. We give lessons, 2 hours, 2.5 hours each day, to teach you about the basics of natural and healthy lifestyle. You must not miss such camps. We have a camp in Kolkata, and then we have got another camp in Delhi, things like that. You can make inquiries and join us. Any more questions?
Guruji, the next question is again connected to ADHD. What are the warning signs of potential developmental delays or disorders such as autism and ADHD? And along with this, what is the minimum age or maximum age when these conditions can be reversed? Is there a cap where after which a person can tell that I'm sorry, we cannot help you in the recovery?
See, the later you come, the more difficult it becomes. When you come in, when the boy or girl is young, there is more scope of getting them better than a person who has already become 22 years or 18 years. That's a little more difficult to treat than young children. So when you treat these young children, the outlook in treating them is to put them on a healthy diet and put them on a program where their blood chemistry is improved to a good blood chemistry, and their thoughts are automatically reversed.
Guruji, in this question they've asked, what are the warning signs of the potential developmental delays? What are the warning signs of all these ADHD and such things? So that people are able to figure out before it goes to a very serious level.
For every child, there are some behavior problems. And even if the child does not have ADHD or autism, even then, if there are behavior problems, then you can subject them to natural and healthy lifestyle, and they will not even get to that stage. Most of these defects come because the mother has taken vaccination during pregnancy. Most of these problems come as an after effect of vaccination during pregnancy. So this can be reversed by subjecting the child to a natural, healthy lifestyle.
Okay, Guruji. Now, another question is, how can we promote healthy eating habits in our child, and what are the essential nutrition and nutrients for their growth?
See, we don't have to examine nutrients, but to make sure that they have one meal of raw vegetables every day. How do you encourage them? I'm going to give an example of a boy who never took vegetables, who doesn't like even fruits. He'll take chips and he will take chocolates, he will take ice cream, all that he will take, but he will never take healthy foods. So one day they took him to a zoo. From the morning to evening, he had just a water bottle and seeing different animals, he was excited. Whole day was spent at about 4 o'clock in the evening. The mother hid behind a papaya tree and was chewing some carrots, baby carrots. She knows that she cannot hide behind a papaya tree. It's not thick enough to hide her. But deliberately she did that so that the son will get curious. And the son was running behind her. Oh, you are eating something. No, I don't want to show you. I don't want to show you. She's running for some time. And he's chasing. And finally, she gave the packet to her husband. Now he is chasing the father. And he gets tired. And finally, gets hold of that packet of carrots. And he chews and eats. Oh, you can't eat. You don't like it. But he says, I like it. I will eat it. Until 4 o'clock, he didn't have any food. He's really very hungry and he enjoyed that packet of carrots. And then they went to their car. Inside the car, he found another packet of carrots and he ate that also. Now they are driving all the way 40 miles away into a farmhouse. All around their house was only farms and farms and farms, nothing else. And inside the house, they had only vegetables and fruits. No candies, no chocolate, no ice cream, nothing at all. The father was searching different places. The son is asking, what are you searching? I'm searching for some chips or something. I'm not getting it. And then the father starts crying and the son is soothing him. No, don't worry, eat this fruit and things like that. And because of the son saying that you eat, and I will also eat. Then the son is eating fruits and the father is eating fruits. And every day they had no other choice. When they all go to sleep or something, they have a supply of regularly vegetables or fruits in the night. And that's what they manage the next day. So after living there for 2 months, eating only vegetables and fruits, the habit of that boy totally changed. And I met this family after 6 years, and the boy grew up to 6 feet 2.5 inches, like that, very healthy, because his habits have changed. Most of the children, they are given room to eat wrong foods by the parents. Parents themselves don't have the discipline, so that's what happens. So if they don't have the discipline, they cannot enforce that discipline. Why should I give them only vegetable? Why not candies? Why not ice cream? The parents don't understand. If the parents understand the value, then they can instill that discipline into their children. So once you introduce the child into a healthy lifestyle, then you will see changes happening very quickly. Any other questions?
Guruji, the next question. The next question is the parent is asking, how can I regulate my child's addiction to media and to mobile, and how to curb it, and if we allow him to use the mobile and social media, how many minutes, how many hours is recommended?
See, we gave our grandson this challenge. We were talking in the family meeting, and he came with solution. He says, if I do something wrong, then I get -4 points. If I do something good, I get +4 points. And if I earn about 25 points in a week, I get half an hour TV computer time or something like that. So he earned that time by getting into good habits. Eating cucumber is +4, eating a pizza is -4, eating an ice cream is -4, eating bananas is +2, +3, like that. He added points, and when he gets 20, 25 points, then he gets half an hour computer time, playing time. So when we introduce such challenges to the children, they themselves adopt good habits. There are so many ways of introducing it, but we should ourselves know what is better, what's not.
Yes, Guruji. Thank you so much for those insights.
So it-
And
Ma'am, I have one question. May I?
yeah,
yeah.
Guruji, as a counselor, I have seen so many youngsters, Gen Zs, are suffering from mental disorders. So, will you please suggest any camp for them for how to take the healthy diet and nutrients in their daily life so that they will change their, because I have seen so many students are suffering from this nowadays. Is there a special camp for them?
Yes, we are organizing a special camp for just children in Calcutta from 16th to 22nd.
please
And if
join
the
us in this
children come
camp.
there,
Is it camp for the mental disorder also? The
yes,
person who is suffering from, yes.
yes, autism, ADHD, all kinds of problems people have. When they come to the camp, they will get training as to what will make them healthy. And if the parents come, they will also learn. And in this
And
camp particularly, the parents will take care of other children, not their own children. So their habits it will be automatically changed. Each parent will take care of one or two students, but their children, but they are not going to be their children. So that way the influence will not be bad.
very great. Do you suggest any diet for them?
Yes, everything will be suggested in the camp. If you
Okay,
want to
thank you, sir.
learn separately away from the camp, you will have to write a letter to us, and then we'll give you an application form. You have to register, and then we give you treatment program for you to follow in your house. But the best thing is to attend a camp where everything becomes easy to learn.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Please connect with me. My number is 7977 625572. 7977 625572. Another question, there's another one person here who wants to know about vaccinations. Please unmute yourself and ask about it, please.
Hello, Guruji. This is Shweta here.
Okay.
Hey, Guruji. Actually, Guruji, I have not given a single vaccination to my child, so I was just going to ask: is it safe?
It's very good.
Because I have to fight in the hospital itself because they were pressurizing me to give my child the vaccination. So I have not given a single vaccination, not even polio to my girl.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Very good. Very good decision.
Thank you,
Very
Guruji.
nice. In our group, and we want you to tell our participants the values of not vaccinating, and so that if when it comes from a doctor, people respect it and understand it.
Anybody else has any other question?
Okay, next question.
Please unmute yourself and ask the question. वीडियो भी ऑन कर दीजिए, आपका भी चेहरा दिखेगा तो अच्छा लगेगा.
गुरुजी बहुत होता है.
Guruji, I have a question.
Please
Guruji,
ask.
suggest
Okay.
me how to please suggest me how to manage with Down syndrome child, Mongolian child, He's slow runner by birth and he's 23 years old.
Okay. This cannot be done suddenly, but in your house, all others should also follow this, only then it will be easy for him to follow. All of your habits of eating and other habits should be changed. You must introduce plenty of exercise for him. You must introduce raw vegetable salads for him. You must introduce one meal of one kind of fruits. All this can be done in the camp better. We'll change his habits and give him to you. In 1 week, he will feel so different, much improved in your health, and habits will also change.
Okay, thank you, Guruji.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Namaste, sir. First, I want to know, like, are you conducting any camps in Bangalore?
We just finished a camp in Bangalore. We are now going to be in Kolkata.
Okay.
But it's okay for you to come to Kolkata, because in the camp, whether you go within the Bangalore or outside Bangalore, it's just a question of travel. But once you are in camp, we'll take care of all your needs. And the
Yes, sir.
benefit that you get, it is much valuable.
Yeah, sir.
It's
Actually,
worth-
I'm finding lots of changes in myself as I'm studying naturopathy now.
Wow.
Please join the
Yeah,
camp
sir.
in Kolkata.
Ma'am, now exam is going on, so that's why, like, in the month of April, I may get the holiday because of this. I'm studying in Mangalore, so it will be easy for me to travel from Mangalore to Bangalore. That's why I asked.
Well, we have camps in Delhi, Nashik, and all those places also in April.
Mm.
You can come there.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir. So, connect with ma'am and I will register for the camp, sir. And one more thing, sir, my mother is at the age of 75. She's having a dementia and always she asks for banana. No other fruit she will eat. Even vegetables also she won't like. She loves only banana. Is it okay to give only banana, sir, for her?
It's okay to do it for some time, but she has to do fasting in order to like salad. If she does 1 day fasting, in the evening, if you give her vegetable, she will like it. Without fasting, a person cannot change the food habits. Taste buds become more active after fasting. They will be able to enjoy even cucumbers and things like that.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. Yes.
गुरुजी, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है। बहुत बरसों से सर्दी बहुत रहती है और अभी थोड़ी कम मैं सन गेजिंग करती हूँ, सन वॉक करती हूँ और हेल्दी फ्रूट और हेल्दी ये पीती हूँ, जूस और वेजिटेबल्स खाती हूँ, तो थोड़ी बहुत कम लगती है। पर फिर भी गुरुजी मेरे ये माथे में है ना, माथे की तारे जैसे झनझन करती है ना, एक दूसरे से टच करती है, ऐसा हमेशा मेरे को फील होता है। इसी गर्मी में भी मेरे को फील होता है कि मेरे माथे की तारें एक दूसरे से टच करती है और इसकी इफेक्ट मेरे कानों में आती है, कान में आवाज बहुत होती है।
आपने थोड़ा बहुत चेंज किया और बहुत सारा फायदा भी देखा है। अब आप कैंप में आ जाइए, पूरा आपको अटेंशन हम देंगे और 1 हफ्ते के अंदर आप देखेंगे, अरे वाह, ये तो पता ही नहीं था ये सब करना है। ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें हैं जो आप वहां सीखते हैं। आप इसको डिले मत करिए, जिंदगी जीने के लिए है और सफर करने के लिए नहीं है। तो आप एक बार हिम्मत करिए, कैंप में आ जाइए। आपको देख के तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि मुझे बहुत उम्मीद बढ़ रहा है चेहरे में, तो आप ठीक होके जाएंगे।
बात आपकी सही है गुरुजी, पर मैं घर से निकल नहीं सकती हूँ, मतलब जवाबदारियां हैं, इसलिए मैं अहमदाबाद में रहती हूँ। अहमदाबाद में पॉसिबल है आपका कैंप?
कहाँ पर?
अहमदाबाद,
वो कहाँ
गुजरात।
है? अहमदाबाद, ओके।
गुजरात में।
आप 40 लोग इकट्ठा करिए, हम आ जाएंगे वहां पे।
अच्छा, ट्राई करती हूँ गुरुजी, ट्राई करती हूँ, जरूर करूंगी। और
Next
आपका
question.
फी क्या होता है
Next
गुरुजी?
question, please. You can connect with me, ma'am. My
Next.
number is there. आप मेरे से कनेक्ट कर लीजिए बाकी क्वेश्चंस
Okay.
पूछने के लिए।
जी जी।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
हाँ,
प्लीज।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। और गुरुजी,
गांधी,
हाँ जी बोलिए, पूछिए पूछिए भाई जी पूछिए। हाँ गांधी, गांधी, डीपी गांधी। हाँ
वेटिंग।
हेलो
हाँ
गांधी।
डीपी गांधी जी पूछिए पूछिए।
या नमस्कार सर। मुझे हिप जॉइंट का एवियन प्रॉब्लम है, अवेस्कुलर निक्रोसिस। जो हेयर लाइंस ब्लड वेसल, ये जो होती है ब्लड वेसल्स, वो ब्लॉक होने के चलते जो होता है एवियन, तो ये नेचुरोपैथी से ठीक हो सकता है क्या ये?
नेचर क्योर से ही ठीक हो सकता है, और कहीं नहीं हो सकता।
ओके, बट ए ब्लड वेसल्स ही ब्लॉक हो गई है, उसके चलते आगे का हिप जॉइंट का बोन
खुल
घिस गया
जाएगा,
है।
खुल जाएगा। आप हैरान होंगे कैसे खुल गया। जो ब्लॉक हो गया वो रास्ता खुल जाएगा, और
ओह,
अच्छा
ओके।
खून बनने लग जाएगा। जब अच्छा खून बनने लगेगा तो इसके ये प्रॉब्लम हट जाएगा। ये खून जो बना हुआ है ये का क्वालिटी खराब है। अच्छा खून बनाते बनाते आपको सारा प्रॉब्लम दूर हो
ओके ओके, ठीक है। तो मैं, हाँ, अभी तो पुणे का कैंप आपका तो हो गया है, मैं पुणे के नजदीक हूँ, तो अप्रैल या मई
अच्छा,
में कैंप होने वाला है क्या फिर से?
हाँ एक और होने वाला
नासिक में।
है, एक और कैंप होने वाला है लोनावला में, प्रेगनेंसी एंड डिलीवरी रिलेटेड होने वाला है। बट गुरुजी वहां आ सकते हैं क्या ये?
नो नो नो, डोंट टॉक लोनावाला। लोनावाला में नहीं होगा, पुणे में होगा, और नासिक में भी एक कैंप होगा।
हाँ जी ओके।
लोनावाला में।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज।
इन सबको आप नंबर ले लो, और आपका नंबर सबको दे दो एक बार और।
Yeah, please write down my number 7977625572. I'm repeating 7977625572. Please connect with me. I will connect. Reconnect with whatever is your requirement. और किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछना है?
Ma'am, please repeat your number once. 7977.
7977625572.
Thank you.
आओ ना व्यापे तेरी सरनाम।
हाँ गुरुजी,
हाँ जी।
मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन। हाँ, अभी मेरी एज 65 है, मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं होता है घुटनों में, पर कभी कभी थोड़ा दर्द फील होता है, कभी कभी। मैं रोज आसन प्राणायाम करती हूँ।
तो कभी कभी आ जाइए हमारे पास।
ओके
जरूर
गुरुजी।
मुलाकात तो होगी। हाँ
अभी फोन में तो ठीक नहीं कर सकता हूँ आपको। आप
हाँ
आएंगे तो एक 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 चीज सीखते ही आपको मालूम हो जाएगा, अरे इतनी कुछ सीखने के है। बहुत सारी बातें हैं।
गुरुजी, टाइप 1 और टाइप 2 दोनों डायबिटीज हमारे इस कैंप से रिकवर हो सकते हैं क्या? Diabetes type 1 and type 2.
हाँ
Hello?
जी,
टाइप 1 टाइप 2 दोनों टाइप के डायबिटीज क्या हम इससे ठीक कर सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल। एक ही हफ्ते के अंदर आप देखेंगे टाइप 1 डायबिटीज तो कहाँ गया, ढूंढेंगे आप, इधर उधर नहीं मिलेगा।
एंड
कोई
व्हाट अबाउट
दवाई,
टाइप 2? टाइप 2 भी ठीक हो जाएगा?
टाइप 2 तो आप होता ही है, लेकिन टाइप 1 भी हो जाएगा, मैं कह रहा हूँ।
ओह ग्रेट, थैंक यू।
आपको आना पड़ेगा कैंप में। अभी 3 कैंप्स और होने वाला है, कोई किसी में भी ज्वाइन कर लीजिए। ये सब
गुरुजी,
लो कॉस्ट।
गुरुजी
हाँ बोलिए।
हेलो। गुरुजी, हेपेटाइटिस बी जो लीवर के तकलीफ में जुड़ा होता है, तो उसके लिए कुछ इसका होता है क्या इलाज, इफेक्ट?
बिल्कुल होगा, एक हफ्ते के अंदर आपको मालूम हो जाएगा कि अरे ऐसे कैसे जल्दी ठीक हो गया, हैरान हो जाएंगे। ये क्यों ठीक होता है? क्योंकि लिवर के लिए जो मटेरियल चाहिए वो खुराक में नहीं है, तो इन्फ्लेमेशन हो जाता है लिवर में। तो आइटिस का मतलब इन्फ्लेमेशन, हेपेटाइटिस माने इन्फ्लेमेशन इन द लिवर। लिवर में इन्फ्लेमेशन ना हो, इसलिए उसके लिए मटेरियल चाहिए, वो चाहिए सब्जियों में मिलता है। वो सब हम कैंप में देते हैं, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कैसे ठीक हो गया, ये तो ठीक ही हो गया।
हाँ, ओके ओके।
Shazia ji, please ask your question. Shazia ji, please ask your question.
नमस्ते गुरु जी।
नमस्ते।
गुरु जी, मुझे ये पूछना था, एक जैसे एक बच्चा है, मतलब लाइन नहीं है लेकिन एक नॉलेज के लिए पूछ रही हूँ। एक बच्चे का तेज जैसा मुझे मालूम पड़ा था, उसका ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ था, तो डॉक्टर ने उसको कहा था, मतलब जो पेरेंट तो कहा था कि इसका ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ है तो इनको मतलब पैदा मत करो, लेकिन पेरेंट ने पैदा किया है और उनका सर छोटा है, मतलब ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ है, तो अभी 5 महीने का बच्चा ऑलरेडी है, तो उसको हम नेचर की ओर से सब चीजें से सर्च होता है, मतलब जैसे वो मूवमेंट करना है ना उनका, तो वो हो नहीं पाता है, तो हम नेचर की ओर से उसको कुछ मातो डाइट या कुछ और बोल सकते हैं, जैसे डाइट देने का काम कर सकते हैं क्या, ताकि वो बच्चा आते चलते जैसे बड़ा हो जाए, तो उसके बाद वो बच्चा प्रॉपरली उसका ब्रेन फंक्शन अच्छा होने लगे, ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है क्या?
ये 7 दिन में काफी कुछ चेंजेस देखेंगे, और उसी लाइफस्टाइल को कंटिन्यू करने से 1 साल के अंदर वो तो बिल्कुल ही ठीक हो जाएगा। You will see
अच्छा,
changes even just in 7 camp.
वो
उसमें
एक
पूरा सीख ले।
तो ये डाइट, ये जो नेचुरल डाइट जो बोल रहे हैं आप, तो ये नेचुरल डाइट में क्या देना चाहिए उसकी मम्मी तो?
हम सारा कुछ अभी बता दें।
नहीं, अभी वो पेरेंट ही मेरे, मतलब डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ है कि मैं ऐसे क्लाइंट दूंगी, वो पता चला है, तो मैं अपनी नॉलेज के लिए पूछ रही थी कि मैं उसका ज्यादा कुछ बताऊं तो
जो फूड्स
इसके
विच
लिए।
आर congenial टू बॉडी केमिस्ट्री, नेचुरल फूड्स होने चाहिए। एक बार कच्चा
ओके,
सब्जी खाएंगे, एक बार फल खाएंगे, एक बार पका हुआ खाना कंजर्वेटिवली कुक्ड होगा वो खाएंगे, और दे विल हैव सन एक्सपोजर, सन बाथ देंगे, हाइड्रोथेरेपी करेंगे, प्राणायाम कराएंगे, मसाज करेंगे, एक्सरसाइज कराएंगे, योगासन कराएंगे। इतना कुछ है, वो कैंप में सब कुछ करते हैं, सब फैसिलिटीज होता है, तो घर में।
अच्छा, ओके,
हाँ
थैंक यू दादा जी।
और
वेलकम।
रोशनी जी, आप पूछिए। रोशनी जी।
नमस्कार गुरुजी। हेलो।
बोलिए।
हाँ, सर मुझे जानना था कि अगर किसी को डायबिटीज है और उसका एंडोस्कोपी हो चुका है, जैसे कि उसको ब्लड की प्रॉब्लम हो गई है कि ब्लड बनता है
है, लेकिन वापस वो अपनी उस जगह से जहाँ से ब्लड पास होता है वहां से शेड हो गया है और उसको 2 बार एंडोस्कोपी हो चुका है। तो ऐसे में क्या हम उसको नेचुरोपैथी की कोई ट्रीटमेंट दे सकते हैं कि उसका कुछ वो जो एंडोस्कोपी हुआ है वो ठीक हो जाए और डायबिटीज कंट्रोल में आ जाए, ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है?
एक हफ्ते में आपको मालूम हो जाएगा कि अरे इतना फायदा होता है। विद इन 1 week यू विल नो दैट देयर इज सो मच बेनिफिट। तो ट्राई करने से ही मालूम
ये
होगा।
सर
मेरे
मतलब
कहने
क्या
से
करना चाहिए? नहीं सर, मतलब ऐसा आइडिया है कि मतलब पता चले कि हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है, कहने का मतलब क्योंकि ये बहुत हार्डली केस है इसीलिए पूछ रही हूँ।
हाँ हो सकता है, लेकिन उसमें बहुत कुछ है ना। वी हैव गॉट ईथर हाइड्रोथेरेपी, प्राणायाम, और ये जो सोलर थेरेपी, मसाज, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें, डाइट, ये सब करने से एवरीथिंग हैज गॉट अ रोल टू प्ले टू इम्प्रूव हिज हेल्थ। तो जैसे इम्प्रूव होते रहेगा सारा जो जो डिफेक्ट्स है वो सब गायब हो जाएगा। आप ढूंढेंगे कहाँ गया, गायब हो जाता है।
मतलब उसको जो शेड का प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, जो एंडोस्कोपी करवाए, तो वो शेड बंद हो सकता है, कहने का मतलब।
हाँ हाँ हो सकता है।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Guruji, there is one more question. One parent is asking, why is it that babies start developing or getting parasites? जो hookworms होते हैं ना, कृमि, वो क्यों होता है और उसको अवॉइड करने का तरीका क्या है? वो उनको बाकी लोग एंड बाकी डॉक्टर्स ये बोलते हैं क्योंकि वो इधर उधर से सामान उठा उठा के मुंह में डालने लगते हैं। 8 9 10 महीने के बच्चे, एक साल के बच्चे हर चीज मुंह में डालते हैं, इसीलिए कृमि आती है, इसीलिए वर्म्स आते हैं, पैरासाइट्स होते हैं स्टमक में। तो इज दैट द रीजन एंड व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट गुरुजी?
इलाज क्या बता रहे हैं अभी तक, क्या इलाज है, क्या किया?
Parent,
we will examine the patient and we will keep him, train the parents as to how to treat him, and then they can continue the treatment in their house and they will see very good success. 1-2 महीने के अंदर इतना अच्छा चेंज हो जाएगा, लेकिन सीखने के लिए टाइम लगता है। कैंप में आने से सब सीख सकते हैं।
हाँ जी, anybody else?
If I tell, अभी मुंह से कह दूं कि सन बात ले लो, स्पाइनल बात ले लो, तो नहीं चलेगा। वो आके ट्राई करें और एक्सपीरियंस करें कि अरे वाह इतना अच्छा है, तब मालूम होगा।
Guruji, there
Hello,
is.
Guruji. Namaskar.
Anybody else? Bimal Pal, please ask your question, or who is asking the question? Bimal Pal ji, ask.
हाँ हमारे पास ऐसा कुछ है? डू यू हैव एनीथिंग फॉर डॉग बाइट, स्नेक बाइट एटसेट्रा एंड नेचुरल थेरेपी?
इमीडिएटली डॉग बाइट करने के बाद तुरंत करना पड़ता है।
Can you explain it, sir?
If the dog has bitten a person, they should immediately subject that part of the body to running water. रनिंग वाटर में डाल देंगे, थोड़ी देर के बाद सारा जो निकलना है वो निकल जाएगा। यू विल नॉट बी अफेक्टेड।
Anything post that thing? I mean, after that running water therapy,
Please,
anything we should follow?
Bimal Pal ji, please switch on your video. Let us have you in the camera also, please.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि अगर ऐसा है तो रनिंग थेरेपी के वाटर थेरेपी उसके बाद हमें और कुछ करना चाहिए जो हमें खान पान के हिसाब से?
बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं ना। वी हैव टू पुट अ हर्बल पैक on the spot where the dog has bitten him, and then after that follow a diet which is congenial to body chemistry. It will take out toxins. that person will not be affected by dog.
And for snake bite?
What bite?
A snake bite.
Snake bite. Okay, bite the snake back. वो snake bite में भी वही है. Immediately tie the spot above that place so that the poison doesn't circulate in the body. And then you put a herbal pack, grated cucumber, apply that, wrap it with a wet cloth, and it will suck out all the poisons. And then you are free.
Sir, come in, please, sir. Cucumber with what?
Grated cucumber उसमें लगा दो.
अच्छा
और
सर,
उसके
grated cucumber.
गीला कपड़े
Okay.
से बांध दो.
No, no, okay.
अच्छा आप दे दो, 200 रुपया दे दो मुझे.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir, sure.
आप कुछ ऐसे ही पूछ के चले जा रहे हैं.
Guruji, you are very humorous.
स्नेक बाइट करता है तो वापस उसको बाइट करो, भाग जाओ.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you.
भेज रहे हो ना पैसे?
Yes, sure. आप मेरे ख्याल से शांतिनिकेतन में आ रहा है, कलकत्ता में नहीं, प्रॉपर कलकत्ता में नहीं, शांतिनिकेतन आ रहा है. अगर मुझे चांस मिले तो मैं आपसे मिलूंगा.
ये वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. शाम को भी ले आना.
Register for the course and come, Vimal Palji.
I'm trying, but मेरे ख्याल से पॉसिबल नहीं होगा क्योंकि पहले से ये प्लान है, कहीं और ड्यूटी का है. तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ एक दिन मिलने के लिए आप लोगों को.
Definitely come. Definitely come. It will be wonderful to meet you. Yeah.
Yes, same.
Yeah. Anybody else? Any other question? Acha.
Yes, ma'am. I have one question.
One person asked where and when is the camp. There's a upcoming camp on 16th, starting on 16th of March till 23rd of March in Shantiniketan. That's very near Kolkata. So please, you can, and there are many other camps coming in Delhi and other places also. But if you are in and around West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, Assam, please come to this camp.
Kolkata is going to be the cheapest. सबसे economical है वो.
Yes, Kolkata camp is extremely economical. So even if you pay for the flight fares or the train tickets and come, it will be less than half of any other camp. So this is a advantage I think you all should take, and especially when Guruji is around, we should avail this opportunity of spending time with Guruji and understanding what health and what life should be like.
Ma'am, is there any accommodations if we book now? Is it possible for this
Yes.
camp?
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
No, I think admissions are closed or what?
No, it's not closed. You please message me. I'll send you the details. It's not closed.
Details. Okay, ma'am.
It's still available.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Yes,
It's
thank you.
going to be
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Get
Guruji.
in before it
Hanji, tell
getting
me.
closed. Join before it closes.
Join before it closes, right. Today is just the 11th. The camp is starting on 16th. So definitely we won't close it so early. Unless, of course, if all the seats are filled.
If all of you join, of course, we will close it.
Registration fee, you need to, at least you pay, we need the full amount. Will you please message me on the number that I told? I will send you the details. Okay, Guruji, looks like as if people have run out of questions. There is one more question I would like to ask. One lady has asked me how to deal with PCOS, PCOD, and those endometriosis that women face, especially during their 40s and 50s.
There is a gradual changes in lifestyle, and that will make a big difference in their all the reactions. They will become younger again. They will start bearing children again. They will become very, very fit. That's the danger of nature cure. ये एक हफ्ते में मालूम हो जाएगा कि जवानी फिर आ गई.
Yes, yes, we can see that in you, Guruji. Guruji is 83-year young gentleman, and he is crisscrossing India all alone, conducting camps across India. He lives in the USA, and he comes here just for a couple of months. 3-4 months he's here, and I have spent some time with him. He is as young as anyone can be, maybe younger than all of us. He runs. He is on the job 24/7, literally. He doesn't like to rest. So this, of course, he takes rest as per the adequate rest that he talks about. But apart from that, he's working and walking and running and conducting camps continuously. So yes, Guruji, you're a live example of that. There's someone else who's asked a question. Yeah, please ask a question, Rashmi ji. Rashmi ji, please ask a question. Please ask a question. You just asked a question in the chat. Unmute it. You can unmute. You just have to click it. It'll get unmuted easily. Acha, I'll ask the question. My daughter is 13, having stomach pain and remedy for now. Difficulty in passing motion. It's suggested to be colitis. The doctors say it is colitis.
Okay. The name looks very nice, but colitis just simply means inflammation in the colon. So don't be afraid of the name. It doesn't mean anything to us. If you keep using toners every time, so for at least for a few days, and then your inflammation will go down and your digestion will be better, elimination will be even better, and you'll come back to normal health very, very few days, within very few days. We'll teach you pranayama, and we'll teach you all the simple methods by which you can regulate all the activities of your body and to make it very healthy.
Guruji, I have one more question. There was a 79-year-old whose BP and sugar was shooting up, and the doctors had suggested insulin, but they came into Nature Cure, and it's about 1 year now. The 79-year-old, she is now out of any kind of medicines. But lately, in the last 5 days, she has not been very well. She was very well for this last 1 year. In the last 5 days, she wasn't very well, and she's throwing up whatever is being given to her, and she's been having hunger, which is like, sometimes she is hungry, so she wants to eat, but after eating she is vomiting, and sometimes she doesn't want to eat at all. So the family is getting worried. How can we deal with her, Guruji, in a natural way?
Where does she live?
She lives in New Mumbai.
Okay. Unless she comes to a camp, or unless she go through a program which somebody can monitor every week, then she cannot see progress. She has been following healthy lifestyle at one time, and small changes have been done, and that's why she's experiencing all this. So if she reverts back to a healthy lifestyle, everything will go away in time. She needs somebody to regulate and guide her from step to step.
Guruji, in the last for 2 days, she has been insisting, call all my relatives, call all my children. I want to see everyone. She has been behaving, in this kind of a manner. So they're getting a little worried. So they were in a rush they were thinking of taking her to some hospital. So somehow I stopped her today. I told her give her only coconut water throughout the day, not to give her anything else. And that too, as you say, coconut water just drop by drop or half spoon at a time every now and then frequently. Will that work, Guruji, along with a lot of sunlight and toner?
Yes, it has to work.
So I'll ask them to attend the Lonavala camp that is happening very soon. They can't come here to Kolkata.
Lonavala camp, there is no Lonavala camp.
Oh, there's no Lonavala camp. Okay. Oh.
That topic is not suitable for Lonavala.
Okay. Sumit ji, please ask your question.
हेलो गुरुजी.
Video on, please.
यस. गुरुजी, मुझे ये पूछना है कि जो साइनस का इन्फ्लेमेशन है वो कफ को सप्रेस करने की वजह से होता है क्या? और अगर जो इन्फ्लेमेशन हो रहा है, हम जो अभी डॉक्टर के पास जाके मेडिसिन लेते हैं, उसकी वजह से जो सप्रेस होता है और इन्फ्लेमेशन बढ़ता है, वो जल नीति से हम कम कर सकते हैं क्या?
थोड़ा बहुत कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ear, nose and throat are connected to each other. And mucus, which is dry, the quality of the mucus is not good. If you change your diet and you include a lot of exercise, early morning go for 15 minutes running, and then come back and relax on the ground and take herbal juice of banana pith. Banana tree has got a stem in the middle which is white in color. If you make 150 of that juice and then drink it every morning and wait for 2 hours before eating anything else, it will melt away all the blocking in this nose. And then you will take 1 meal of raw vegetable salad. Keep this habit regular. Don't add turmeric in your food. Avoid all the turmeric. Add salt only after cooking. When the cooking is done, then take it out and then add salt. Do it for 1 week. You will become better and send me at 2,000 rupees.
Sure. When we will meet, we'll do.
No, we'll give you the Google Pay account. Don't worry.
Okay. No. Sure, ma'am. Thank you, Guruji.
Attend camp, whichever camp is coming near your area, or come here to Kolkata, attend our camp. So,
Yes,
it's
ma'am,
not about, Guruji is always telling, don't check your body, check your habits. Come to the camp, learn the habits and
Not
live the
remedy,
habits.
it's a lifestyle.
Hanji, Guruji, tell again. Guruji, what did you say? Please repeat.
When you come, you get training and work together. When you come to the camp, you get training and treatment.
Yes, most of us, we are only looking for shortcuts. We are looking for, totka bolte hai na? We are looking out for that. The totkas don't work. Our habits have to change. And the camps are the best place where we can learn, practice and get it into, वो बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में ज़हन में लाना. वो camps are the best place जो ये तरीका हमारी ज़हन में आ जाता है. तो प्लीज अटेंड अ कैंप। हाँ जी गुरुजी, आप कुछ बोल रहे
यस
थे?
मैम।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं बोलना अभी, ज्यादा बोलेंगे तो फिर और पैसा लग जाएगा।
Okay, Manu Manch, one more question he is having. Please ask the question and then we'll wind up. Last question and we'll wind up. Manu ji,
Yeah, Guruji, my relatives very
video,
close is actually
video, please.
yeah, one minute, 1 minute. Is it there?
Yes, come on.
Yeah.
Namaste, Guruji. Guruji, one of my relatives actually she's suffering from OCD and going through antidepressant pills, couple of them for more than 20-25 years now since childhood. So if she comes on to nature cure principles and follows them, so how soon can she be able to get relieved of those medications completely? Because her life is stuck because of the medications. She's not able to, lead a regular life and getting isolated.
As many months as
You're not audible,
all the
Guruji.
medicines will
Guruji, your voice
effect
is cracking. You're not audible.
effect of all the medicines will take as much months as many years that she has been taking. If she took medicines for 5 years, it take 5 months the medicine.
No, you're not audible,
Are you
Guruji.
hear
I
me
can't
now?
hear you.
No, Guruji
Yes,
said,
now you're audible.
Guruji said she will take as many number of months to reverse her condition, as many number of years she has been having the medicines. So if she has been having
Yes.
medicines for the last 25 years, so we need to give her at least 25 months of the new lifestyle for being able to eliminate the medicines and to create a new normal for herself.
Okay. All right. Sure. Thank you, Guruji, for the insight. I will accordingly convey her.
Thank you.
Will the camp be beneficial? The any of the camps like Delhi camp probably?
It changes in just 7 days.
Changes
will
like
see changes.
you're not audible at all.
7 दिन के अंदर बहुत सारे
Guruji, your voice is cracking, Guruji. Your voice, the net isn't very clear. Voice is cracking, Guruji.
Okay. Within 7 days, she can see improvement which you cannot believe. So much improvement can be seen in just 7 days.
All right. Thank you so much, Guruji. Will enlighten her accordingly. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Guruji. I think we can wind up for today. Shall we all please tell our heartful thanks to Guruji and
Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the upcoming camps. And bye for now, all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.